go and find out that you, Jennifer, carry their matter, that's your papa matter, your grandmama matter, go give social media presenter like Frank. Me the sagara. Okay, Frank, they all bring matter come for you. You no call Mama Pat Pikin. May you still verify, say, see what somebody bring come on, just begin the saga then. Now, Frank Omazwo, sit down, because women where you lack wisdom, you lack understanding. Sit down, let me educate you, because who were over my social media now? You come with us for social media. You came 2021. I feel still the reason today say you don't know how they do all these things. Because no matter about you, key, Frank Omazwo. I am your now. That means you way nobody will not feel hot or will not feel do anything for this life. In no day. In no day this life. Nothing say you be Superman. Say you get the temerity and the confidence to take the insult people way big past you, people way senior you for age. You carry the call your platform, you go insult them, and you say no level. That person they give you that wish way they eat. Instead go they collect from person. I am here down say or one or Johnny Dia. Now Jennifer come, I tell you. I say if you not stop this issue, you will get problem with me. Franco Mars will not know you. Yesterday I decided to rest for the issue because why? Now you bring matter come. You will bring matter come. You can't outsmart us yesterday. You can't pretend like person will not sabi talk. Because now I want to begin to play evidence. Make the user take compare. If not the same guy we call the by the dealer say not sabi explain yesterday, if not the same person. No matter what Mama Pat do you, he picking now you born for. The reason why I made the deny children, because they thought say if the children grow, you go come become better person for life. They all they deny picking with your attitude and character. So he reach where Mama Pat go take deny that picking. He reach where he picking go take deny that, so say that he picking not be born now because of your characters and attitude. Jennifer, you don't go to different husband house. You don't stay anyone. Why you not check your character to confirm if now you now they make all those men they want they leave you as beautiful as you are with big yash. You don't go to different husband house. No one will settle down with you as beautiful as you are. They not use you to do marriage. You not sit down and you think about your life. Say what thing you they do where they not like we make. If you don't born one for them, they will leave you. Now because say me not be Franco Moswell, because say your money when you pay me for the matter, I cannot use it to Jennifer. Make me saga person for 150. I'll be 100 euro. Give me. Me Enogie. You give me 100 euro of 150. I'll come bring people come as I call the saga them. Because say you know waiting Franco Moswell they do for you now. Me not do it for you because he also. Now let mumu then they go tell matter. Franco Moswell go come on live video. Because of the hatred that she has, they hear from Mama Pat. I don't know what Mama Pat do. Imagine Mama Pat or Biye, Niye Manato. Imagine Mama Pat or Bera. Then they I don't really know what will happen. We make if they all bring topic, not only Mama Pat. Oh, yeah, we go topic is say Franco Moswell ye. Oh, well, another video. Oh, what's when I go? Oh, what's when I zoo?
I don't understand, Frank. Frank, they do. He won't one more. They do topic. You they do. I get family. That's the two thing.
No be that one.
He won't one more, Frankie. At
and when I go,
that be the thing. What about one more? Not get family.
He won't one more. What about his own life?
He won't one more.
I put when mega topic. When mega go vagbona.
He won't one more. I was topic.
The other day, I was opportune to be with Daddy Freeze on Instagram. Go see the way my fans they praise me. Say bro, say no, see the way you compose. Like say you know Sabi do saga. For that the Freeze live on Instagram, go and check the comments. Everybody they praise me. Why? Because when you are in Italy, you behave like the Italian. But in your case, Omozwo, you don't ask questions before you go into conclusion. You carry on my part, come here, this thing, the Sultan for Jennifer. Now, Jennifer, they explain one side for you. Based on say you be really confirm Omozwo, Jennifer not get where for wrong now. Jennifer don't get way for wrong. Now the family of Patobasuyi, now you offend Jennifer from A to Z. Jennifer don't get way for wrong. As stupid as you are, Franco Mazuo, you could not ask Jennifer, say, okay, all these things they explain, so where you for come wrong for inside? We are not real before. I told Jennifer yesterday, Jennifer, they don't already tell you, say, the reason why they toss it, they carry belly, they go road work, now because of what you still tell them. If person and person they quarrel, now what will pay you, I will tell you. No expect sweet words from me. If me and Franco Mozo they quarrel today, I know they call a small prick. I know they call a Franco Mozo. He not go they call me no get we. Now because that thing so, he know say if I call him Mozo, he go pay now, he go call me no get we. To take balance and say, okay, if you call me Mozo, I call you in we. Because we don't play. Now Jennifer they explain one side for you. You sit down for them. And lawa no whether na lawa will not see omomo for yard. Wait, carry what's it called? You know what I mean? Oh, okay, now you use this one. Take one. Lawa carry pillowcase. He said na mama dey side. If you bought all the can away. Now lawa. You let back one now. You can continue. Lawa stick down. Lawa, what you do like? What be this one? Oh, Lawa, what be this one? Lawa, no, we don't see Omomo hand. We don't see Omomo no dey stretch. Now, best friend you want for hand, you can't put for the bottle for a man. Lawa, you can still come up, say me Fakomozo continue. Ah, shit. Anyway, you have Fakomozo na Alex Suzame. According to the German language, you see Alex Suzame, meaning for Beni, Okpave Bowe Gwegbani. Because Lawa, you don't even suppose, even they talk where people are talking Lawa. Oh my God, we are going Lawa, Amazon baby, come go inside. Lawa, come go inside. If you know the shame. But almost at the end of the day, what happened? He baba lele. Lawa. Anyway, not be no matter carry me come. I say make I just tell you, say, now best spread and feed the bottle you they feed. We don't see a momo hand. I beg your mama, no they cry. Cause him my goddaughter baby the other day they call Becky. Also of ye. Omo vie. Lawa. Omo vie na me wiki. Omo cry. Na so sleep your mama they sleep. You also no boa me. Me be mama money dey no gwa bi over. Omo we no dey cry. Na so sleep they sleep. So feed the bottle that they carry. Omo we don't hear say mama cry. Since Lawa they carry baby, we don't ever hear say mama cry. Daddy, I tell what man. You understand? Understand. I don't ever hear say mama cry. No, don't ever hear no, this is not saga. I don't hear say mama cry. Okay, what mama vie. Well, I wish a congratulations. Why so no TikTok now? I be Facebook. Who what did you? Now back to Franco Mozo. Jennifer, they explain to you. You the saga mama part and picking finish. You see how biased you are. This thing when me not give Jennifer the privilege when I not give her for my platform, because you cannot bring somebody's issue to me at the end of the day. You say me I call the saga the person. I don't pass that level. As I be so, majority of the saga when Precious Papa die, when second son go bury Precious Papa. Now me they bring that matter I can't give. I declare now. I tell Precious Society them go bring money come for me before they come bring the matter for you. Majority of the saga where they bring for me, I they push and they come with you. You know why? Because now you they do that kind of thing. They not fit see me for that kind of settings. If not be say this Jennifer na green snake under the green grass, I'm for still quiet now. As you they talk for your platform, I go lose, I go lock up. But I don't rest. You know why? Because Jennifer is a green snake under the green grass. And the hate person will be say, if person offend you, see talk where you for offend that person. I sat down and listened to Omozo today. When they explained to her, I called you Jennifer, I tell you, say, make this matter die. You say, nah, the matter go die, the matter go die. I say, no, because you dey explain your side. You know they talk where you for wrong. Omozo wa go we bani. When I kita no biokpa. Omozo, I know fully well say if he come on my part picking with the UK, that one go pick it call. The girl is so respectful. She go pick it call. Now, what do you do now? He can't make waiting princess and Naomi talk yesterday. Say, this matter so, you go bring her tomorrow. And I tell you, say, I give them their word, say, no, this matter is finished. Do your own, make these people do their own. Why? Because make peace for rain. You don't born for that house. They don't already tell you, say, that quarrel where they quarrel with you. Now they toss you, they carry belly, they go to work. But you were not satisfied. You carry the matter, go give answer person, which is Omozo. Make it for saga. Shebe as the saga now. Your belly is sweet. But you yourself, you go chop your eye from my hand. Omozo will not know you. Now you carry matter, can't give me, but now you are go beat. Number one, the reason why I go saga you now, this thing, the right time for ground for disrespecting me. 5,500 people. Then was left yesterday night for 4 hours. Now they sit down for this chair. They try to make sure say peace reign at last. But you say no. At the end of the day, after all those begging, when I beg you, everybody can't tell you say rest. You not rest. You carry the matter, you go give Franco Moswell. It's no problem. Now we are going to share it into two, Franco Moswell. Me in the quarrel. Maybe the saga Mama Pat and the Peking. Maybe the saga Jennifer. May they bring Jennifer's secrets, they come out one by one. May you sit down. At the end of the day, Omozwo, I'll come ask you again. If it take 2 weeks for inside this saga, we want to start so. If it take 2 weeks, then at the end, I'll come ask you, say, how you come see her now? I will make you Omozwo to ask questions before you bring people's pictures out. If Mama Pat, Piki, they do saga now, I'll say, okay. Now because the children, they do saga. That's why you don't decide to call them. These people not get what they do you, Omozwo. Not be the same way you go marry the day for us. The day we not the bone. The day never be. Not be Mama Pat and the Piki. Shebi you post Mama Pat and the own Piki. Now we use it to tote bone. You they use Kevin where you don't use your prick tape bone. You talk say, wagi wimel, wagi Kevin, wagi Kevin, wagi Kevin, wagi wimel, wagi wimel, wagi wagwa. We the other lad not do gwa. Nora, now me use my prick tape bone Nora. Iyo ko mama or arena obo. You go use your pretty born picking, where you go feed it, tossing at your picking. I want your money, Omozwo. Not be you get that picking. Another day to remind you. Say that picking for Omozwo, not be you get on. The day when you put for us with the cup, my ye Kevin, no soon. Ye Kevin Agmote, Juliet Agmote, no Dave Agua, Luban or Agmose. Et Juliet Agmote, Mammy Odo, or God give a webo. Since year 94, oh yeah, like Webo, 1994, 98 Europe. Till now, you don't go for different husbands. When you away, closing of husband. If you don't know today, I later see husband. There you be. Husband will not give woman belly. Hey, kia we win my brother. Wherever kia, if your prick is not working, social media president is around. You don't come back now to Europe. Tell us your prick not the work. Me go pay for the DHL. May they bring the water for you. May your prick for the work, bro. Not be to sleep with woman. Not be to suck woman to toe. You feel use that to give her belay. Oh, Omozwo. Larry, fear Nikwa. Come and sit down. The reason why you, Topolo Monkey and Lucky Antelope are the same squad, and the same squad on Abi. When they ask questions before now they bring people come on social media. Why when I go answer? No more tea, my with like big bread. Now, Jennifer, sit down. Let me play something to you. Yesterday, okay, you said Mama Pat now, right? You said that they're diabolical. We are going to start from there. You said that they're diabolical. Say that they use juju to talk to people. Say that because the woman a celebrity, they make people they support her, they saga you. Now, not be saying me and my fans not know what they happened yesterday. But we not get the picture because why? We got a feel pity for you, say that they see people who not be explain. We not know say you catch us at wayo, you carry us for my back. when the matter come set, you can't dey pretend like person wey no sabi explain. If dem say make you explain, you come dey talk say in 2021 epa now I come go toilet for 2019. When I come go toilet for 2019, it come happen for 2016. As it come happen for 2016, I come say, oh God, in 2026, why is it happening again? Because they use all they do yeye. Because they feel pity for you. Thinking say na so you sabi, they talk. Una don sit when if I dey talk. Now I want to see so. Almost total no down yo. Because you na okpa eniyan na you be. That's why they call you the Omiausa of social media. I don't add another name join that Omozo. The Omiausa of social media because they behave like one. Because if you not be confirmed Omiausa, you for come a part picking, then you ask him say, wetin happen? Because Ogwezo, Egweno Yariabe. What does that mean? If two people they quarrel, they not go talk the one they take wrong. Now the one where they take wrong themselves, they go talk. You'll be like I said, I be now. Me and somebody go get problem now. Me not go talk where me for wrong. Now the one where you take wrong, me go talk. Now you go talk the one where me take wrong go. So that's why I believe the user they make parable say, person where they explain matter, not they explain the one when you take wrong. Now the one where they take wrong guy they explain. Now I'm going to be showing you guys videos upon videos. We're going to start with the Onwe first. Okay? We are going to start. Now you bring matter for me, but I know you pass Franco Moswell. I even know you pass the princess and the Naomi. And I tell you, say, let this matter there. You say, no, say this matter not fit there. Since this matter not go fit there, you cannot continue to disgrace the family where you born put. Many they claim victim, say that they do you something. It takes two to tango. They're not the same one person for Coven. Now two or more people that they see for Coven. That's why me, if person call me today, say, Ipa, one woman they insult me, I go ask, what did you do before that woman come they insult you? If the person don't explain, I go come and say, right now, give me the woman's number. I go hear from the woman. The two of una explanation, I can't digest and I can't know say, okay, see who wrong, see who right. I was once like you before. But you have to learn how to do the social media. Not be to come on social media, they rant, they zoo. Not be the thing they know who strong pass. Only know me, no say I pass you for the media space. Only know I am better than you. I pass you for everything for life. Now when me not do media, you go they say you dey form a papa with the craze. Me a la media and they don't know you. Am I lying? I'm not lying. Now listen, Jennifer, we are going to start from the onset. I go to explain them one by one. Now, you say mama part na juju woman. Ipiki, they diabolical. You waiting be this one. Okay. Did you when you explain yesterday say mama pa they do juju? I bet my fans. Did she explain that she also they do juju? Maybe I'm not here where. When did they talk yesterday say mama pa they do juju? She explained you say instead of go do your juju shao. Did she do that? No. Because why I told you so. Now you know fully well say you and that mama part pikin una offend una self. As that boy offend you, that's so you offend them. If you don't know the reason why I rest yesterday, I don't rest because I want to make I really rest for that matter. I decided to rest because of your son. Because of the pikin where you born for that house. Because the more you dig into this issue, the more the thing will rob your pikin. Because the truth of the matter is that you go give presenter my mama picture. At the end of the day, you go say me. Because the boy no they do presenter. So I just put myself for a shoe now. The guy is not a social media presenter. The guy is just normal person. Okay. You say me they come accept that kind of pikin. Any mother will not fit do juju to protect the children is a useless mother. So if Mama Pat they do juju to they protect the children, meaning Mama Pat is a great woman. As I be now, person can't tell me tomorrow say my mama na witch. I go beat you past your papa's. Because that witch way they call my mama, now they used to they protect me. I am proud that my mother is a witch. Not be you go tell me say my mama na witch, make I take care of my mama. My mama will not fit by me when I did small. I can't reach this extent. Now my mama can't use the juju to worry me. Any mother will not fit stand by picking for abroad, not be mama. So if you dey talk say Mama Pat dey stand by children, of course I should give Mama Pat a very big round of applause. If your mother or Moswo dey spiritually fortified, maybe she for still dey alive today. But no, Franco Moswo mother died at a very young age because your mom was not spiritually fortified. When you are spiritually fortified and your heart is clean, anything you put your hand, it will work for you. But in this case, you dey saga the woman because she dey stand by pikin. I'm not there in support of her son's domestic violence on women. No. I am not in support of the domestic violence of Mama Pat's son on women. No. But Jennifer, you could have at least let bygone be bygone. I know say you dey full of Moswo because now that kind of thing for the Siam, Arian with saga, Arian moi Agbiragbiye Boma, Arian Tie Bonoma, Umugyo Moswo. Breaking news. If your aim of bringing topic to me, now for me to saga the person, Amugyo Moswo. Now you dey do that kind of nonsense. Mewe. Why? Because Egbe saga Oga Agbiragbiye woman. I'm tired of Agbiragbiye saga. I am tired of inheriting people's enemy just because of 100 euro or 150. If Jennifer to give Fakomos money this morning now, 50 euro. You don't tell me say Jennifer give you 100 euro. 50 euro. But because of saying part of Basuyi, you go say use and take get 1,000 view. Because without saga, you cannot chest 1,000 view. If you say that lie, may I put money? Without saga, you not share your eye. No, I go then one fail where day you cannot get to 1,000. But me, I can just sit down here and I'll get 4,000 people. Where? A grace. Now let's play audio evidence of the same you will be Jennifer. So how you take collide? Even the Mama Diana. Could you imagine say there was one woman that they were calling yesterday? Say make the woman can't talk. Make a shock now. Do you know that woman came? She came on my WhatsApp. The woman not fit talk. Jennifer called tell the woman say talk now. Even Princess was saying talk now. The woman is online. When I talk now, you know why that woman not talk? Jennifer don't go tell this woman for back say me not come talk for my platform. Say if they call her, make your body do like say no what we they talk about. And that same woman is the same woman where Jennifer live picking for December. And that same woman so now the same woman we born for the man where Jennifer still born for, which is Mama Pat picking. When I sit down, we will analyze them one after the other. This same woman so when Jennifer leave the picky for, Jennifer don't feel mock this woman say he born girl from Mama Pat first son. Say he don't get belly and say that man he was born. But today that same child he dey live on with the woman where he don't mock say he born girl picking from Mama Pat first son. Jennifer, did you not leave your son with Mommy Diana for 4 months. Now Christmas, you forgo drop the pikin. Now April, I think May you can't go carry on. May what they talk, what they bring evidence. Jennifer, in this NROV, may I put your picture for here? Jennifer, in this NROV, in this NROV, you know how many people you don't leave your pikin for? To come they use phone, they disturb me, come carry your pikin. Jennifer, why you born? If you know so you're never ready to be a mother. Jennifer, every evidence is going to be played on this live stream. I get boss game later, but I say make I come disgrace you first for disobeying me. I wish you not first bring this topic for me. As I also saw most of the doing, he get queen. Am I mad? Wait till most of the talk, make the way like platform me. Ogunga gbo wani gbo mozo asumo. Tebi tete uri no make ya wu. Ma wa mozo. Now,
hello, you wo me. Now we go get in back. Now, o me nyaze getter. Wa oto.
I know what for
get. Commence wo. See ame, we feel where ekinu we dona. E give mommy okay. Ami o ma panu gwe be fi u pe game to le to ya se gbegwe. If ye don't know your platform where you are who you be yakin. Who was so who because your own is getting out of hands. And I'm here where mama baba said if you were who are doni umola na de ungbe would they do saga before you come? Now me coming you come social media. You are my boy, and you still remember my boy. Come out tomorrow, come out today and say if you are in the case, you are my boy, I brought you to social media. Now that one people still they quarrel with me for. Now me bring you on social media. But the thing is that before you come meet us, mama who do bad we give her. I'm you ma don't go back be. Oh e pa do no ma gbon. Nu we do asaga titina e pa titina. E pa do you were the one who that brought down my heart. First time. Who na we bi ori agbeshetro ami mi o ko pa ma ba ye but I be 1 million una bi ma bere u ye bo e bo ya nu tie ne pa odudu kake wo kan e Juliet no ma ba gbon Juliet sisa i na bi ye bo ni una we gbe bi una ya du we bi ana ye gbe. You think what you are doing where saga semia you me and you never stage for saga how many times where saga but I don't rest for all those things because I got titine and I be asking me you because but nobody is telling you the truth. Why was saga here do ya ni for? And now you come at that time say now so this a saga destiny back one now you are not the one saga them. Not only destiny, I get destiny but you don't saga all the adult people finish. You will be your fair when you are call. Whenever baby webo, you will tell musician, any musician that can, I can see you, walk bell, walk mama, so man, the team one that they do for Italy, one that they say police, why you not send a come straight away, a come come, look bell, walk me, I tell you so now, abroad, will they not be you with this side bush? Are you mad? We live in abroad, we live in Europe, in Austria. So long you pay your tax every day. You want to saga everybody, a part two song in no. I give her mommy okay, she look bell. Mommy okay, she part two so. If you do ya make it tamu kwa na me understand why. Amo yo bana ye wa lo mi, wa ma mi we e. Obi o kana wa la jo wa gbugbe yu ohu wa ya hu, wa ma mi we. Then you gi no wa gi we mi nu wa bi mi be mi. Nu wa ya ima wo wa gba wa, at least wa le fi emi. Wa no yin do what I make if you your own is getting too much. And those drunkards that will be on your platform, ikwe 20 billion animaseti ko komoni yo huwa bagbo iya dare e padamo wa duo laivi wa guo Percy boy besa we ba de bia we akokiri abia ki anu gbe o bagbo awa no bia mokwo best way boge na so o ma bia oni bia ma we okwo no mu kwa yo wa o ma bia wo da mokwo oni mi we era bi je no bi ye Kevin we no mu wa yo wa oya ma bia very useless idiot. You go come and they make math. As you make math with this social media, he marry Ashawo at the end of the day. When they the end of the Ashawo, who not marry Ashawo plus the day. Me tell we say we are here. Me marry the day plus Ashawo we here mu you one who buy agbo. No go war. If we social, if we yak besha, you will sit down with a man you call your husband. Your husband will be so bold to say on social media where yeah, I you quiver. What I will bob or web or you wear no you quiver a bomb. Woman like you, woman got day. A government feed this so a government that feed the way that way be no be government feed the new bell agbo. Who feel quite jaguar? Who were after what attack wama guatawu? Who were here soon?
We are
if you don't know yet, no, you let platform for commence who were bell agbo. Who were here soon when the for commence we have this. No, you have to get jaguar. No, you don't move your do yagoto. E partout so il no wa sun wa gbo wa gbe o. E brother you go home. You are only call on nya kebe. It tell wow, why if you not feel like what do you have to say no wa gbo. No gbe we tabi tek gbe we tabi tek.
we certainly we see wa ma.